I'm Dr. Tanya Escobedo, aka Dr. E, and this is my YouTube channel. I'm a naturopathic doctor, and I've helped hundreds of my patients balance their hormones, lose weight, boost their testosterone, treat autoimmune conditions, rebalance their thyroid, restoring healthy energy and vitality back to their lives. I will be posting on hormones, libido, spirituality, and how to live a healthy, vibrant life. You will learn how to identify your hormone imbalances and how to restore your hormones using safe, effective, natural therapies. Be sure to subscribe for new content, comment below to introduce yourself, and for more recipes, articles, and health hacks, check out my website, sign up for my newsletter, and like my Facebook page at Geometric Health. I'll leave all the links below. Thanks for listening.